Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to break down the 3 most effective Amazon PPC strategies that we're using right now across the 140 plus brands that we manage here at Trivium. These are strategies you can literally implement today to see an impact. And stick around till the end because I'm going to show you a brand new Amazon feature that almost no one is really using. It just launched recently and it's already helping us pull ahead of our competitors fast. All right, let's get into it. Strategy number 1, let's eliminate underperforming keywords, okay? So let's start by cutting wasted ad spend. You can instantly improve profitability just by getting rid of low performing keywords. And here's what to do. Go to your campaign manager, then hit reports. Download your search term report for the last 30 days. Filter only for auto, broad, phrase, and expanded ASIN campaigns. Skip exact or product targeting for now. Now run 2 filters. Spend with no sales. If a keyword has spent more than 50% of your product price without generating a sale, that's way too much. For a $30 product, that's anything spending over $15 with no sale. And then you want to highlight these and high ACOS but low sales. Look for keywords with an ACOS greater than 85% but only 1 to 4 sales. Be careful because you don't cut high ACOS keywords if they're generating tons of sales. But if it's only a few sales and way too expensive, they're not worth keeping. And once you've identified them, you can manually add them as negative keywords in the campaign manager. Or use our negative keyword macro from the Trivium toolbox to bulk upload and save so much time. You can find that in the link in the description below. Now let's get to strategy number 2, which is scale what's already working. So once you cut the bad, double down on what's working and do this. Filter your search term report for keywords with ACOS between 0.1% and 20%. Highlight those. And now here's the key. You want to launch those search terms in new campaigns, but in match types, they're not already in. Let's say you have a keyword that's working great in broad. You should also test it in phrase and exact. And why is that? Broad equals wide net, lots of variations. Phrase equals more focused. And exact equals laser targeted. They all perform differently. A keyword might tank in broad, but crush in exact. So you have to test across all match types. You can do this manually or use our deduplication macro that scans your search term report and tells you which match types you're not running yet. And strategy number 3 would be fix your campaign structure. Your campaign structure directly impacts performance, and here is exactly how we do it at Trivium. So 1 campaign equals 1 ad group equals max 5 keywords. Why only 5 keywords? Well, Amazon's algorithm favors the top few. If you have 20 plus keywords, only the top 3 to 5 get impressions. The rest just sit there, but many of them might be profitable long tail keywords. So we move those long tails to their own campaigns. If they convert just 5 to 10 sales a month, that adds up fast. And never move a keyword that's performing. Only move or pause the ones that aren't. Avoid running multiple ad groups in one campaign. Amazon doesn't split budgets evenly. One group might get 80% and the rest might starve. So until Amazon gives us ad group level budgets, use this clean structure to stay in control. Minimum campaign budget, start with $100. Even if you're not spending it all, sometimes just increasing your budget unlocks more spend and more profitable sales. All right, I know that was a lot of information, but PPC does not have to be overwhelming. All you have to do is cut wasted spend, scale your top performers, and structure your campaigns smart. Use the data Amazon gives you to win. And don't forget to grab the macros from the Trivium toolbox linked below. And if you want to streamline how you can manage PPC without spending hours a day, check out our other videos regarding PPC linked in the description below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and we will see you on the next video. Bye.